The ultimate decision making hack, 10-10-10 rule. The 10-10-10 rule is a decision making tool that can help you make better choices in life. It's easy to use and can be applied to all kinds of decisions, big or small. Here is how it works. Whenever you are faced with a decision, take a moment to think about how it will affect you in 3 different time frames: the next 10 minutes, the next 10 months, the next 10 years. Here is an example. Let's say you are trying to decide whether to buy a new car. Using the 10-10-10 rule, you might ask yourself, how will buying a new car affect me in the next 10 minutes? Will it make me feel happy and excited? How will buying a new car affect me in the next 10 months? Will it strain my finances or impact my ability to save money? How will buying a new car affect me in the next 10 years? Will it align with my long-term financial goals and priorities? By thinking about the decision in these 3 different time frames, you can get a clearer picture of whether or not buying a new car is the right decision for you at this time. The 10-10-10 rule is also a helpful tool for making decisions about personal development habits. It encourages you to consider both the short-term and long-term benefits of the habit, which can help you make a more informed and thoughtful decision about whether or not to commit to it. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.